It should be cool stuff. But first of all, I have to figure it out. Actually, packaging is very good. I like it. Well, what we got here? Oh! Even the bag. Finally, I got my own car vacuum. Look at this, I cannot believe it, that is my car. Here's everything. Water. Look at this. Oh my. Glasses. Purse. What's this? What is here? Press. Sure. Look at this. Look at this. Okay. Did you see that before?
Oh my goodness.
Can you compare? Can you believe it?
Oh, wow.
This stuff is gorgeous. I told you. I told you. Look how many dust inside. You see? How can I open it? Oh, yes. Well, let's see. Look. Just a second. Look, look. It's just the first time. You see? Just only over here. It was everything over here. 5 minutes. Can you believe it? Amazing stuff. I'm in love. Truly. I'm not sure. I should move it a little bit. Yes.
What about trunk?
Trunk. Okay, let's do it. Easy. Well, look what we've got. Look. You see?
Yes.
You see? Look.
Well done.
I told you. 5 stars. Boom.